Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import your private key from BullX to your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, we need to head on over to BullX. So I'm inside BullX, and if you haven't downloaded your private keys or you're not sure where they are, to find them, we want to click on BullX here or hover over and then go to Wallet Manager, and then you're going to have some wallet keys here, but because I've already downloaded them, I've already got them in my saved it to my computer. So I'm going to click onto this BullX wallet keys and it's going to show one or two keys. Now from here we want to open up our Phantom wallet, so need to make sure we got Phantom wallet installed on our computer. I don't have it yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on manage extensions, type in Phantom wallet. Oh, sorry, go to extension, the search. I'm in the Chrome Web Store, so I want to type in Phantom wallet. Alright, here, search. Here it is here. So I want to click on the purple one, 6 million users. I'm going to add this to Chrome, and then I'm going to sign in. I'll meet you after I've signed in and added extension. Alright, so I've opened up my Phantom wallet. Now from here, we want to go ahead and connect a wallet. Alright, from here, click onto your account and then want to click on the plus button where it says add connect a wallet. And now from here, we need to go ahead and click on the import private key, so you can import a single chain account. So we need to give it a name, so of course we're going to call it BullX, and then you want to paste in your private key that you downloaded from your wallet manager here. So I'm going to put in the private key. Then from here, just simply go ahead and import that, and that's going to import your BullX into your BullX private key to your Phantom wallet.